Now, let's substitute hard-coded values with variables. For this, I'm going to add a new test case. I'm gonna call it loan test. And I need to start recording right away. Record in Chrome. First of all, I'm going to maximize my screen. Then I'm going to click on clear, after which I'm going to insert some values. And I'm going to click on calculate button. After which I stop recording and I need to save the script. For this, I'm going to add a new repository folder, object repository folder. And to this new object repository folder, I'm going to save all these elements. Good. At this point, we're in manual mode. Let me see in script. Those are the hard-coded values right now. However, I'd like to exchange all these values here for variables. So you need to click on variable tab right here. Click add. Variable name, amount, and I'd like to change it for 3. Good. Add another variable. Variable name will be term. And I'll set for 20 years. Add another one. Variable name will be rate. And I'll set for 5.5. After that, I need to save my test. Let's see now in manual and script modes. Right now it's in variable. Manual mode. As you can see, we need to exchange it right now. Click. Select here drop down from hard-coded string to variable. Variable name was amount. Click OK. Now this one. Same way, same approach. Exchange for variable. Variable name was term. Click OK. And interest rate. Variable name was rate. Click OK. Save it. Save your test. Let's go to script mode again. Right now, here, instead of hard-coded values, you have amount, term, and rate. Now, let's test our test-driven approach. Let's execute it in Chrome. Seems fine to me. Test cases, loan test, right here. Very good. Now I'm going to add another test case. Gonna call it amortization. Same way, I'm going to record a new test case. Maximize first of all. Gonna clear. Set loan amount. Loan term, I'll save 20 years. Interest rate 2.5. And I'm going to click on calculate. Stop recording. Save script. I'm gonna create another new folder in object repository. Good. Now, let me exchange for variables here also, hard-coded values. Gonna add another one. Term, sorry, capital. Let's go for 50 years. Add another. Rate. Same way, first of all, we need to save our test case. Secondly, go to manual mode. Again, change for variable. Variable. Same way here. Variable. Rate. Click OK. Save it. Save your test case. Let's go to script mode. Here they are: amount, rate, and term. Now, I'll go to manual mode now, and let's execute our test. Test case passed. Good. So right now I have two test cases which have been parameterized, both of them. Loan test case, parameterized, and amortization test case, parameterized. Both of them have variables. Both of them have variables. Now, let me create new test suite here. New test suite. And I'm gonna call it calculator suite. Now, first of all, you simply need drag and drop tests here. Loan tests, amortization test here. And there is a button here, show data binding. For this, data files, we need to create new, once again here, right here, data files, new, test data. Calculator data, and data type you can select anything, Excel, CSV, database. In our case, it's simple one, internal data. Click OK. Right now I need to add column here. Column name, amount. Add another column will be term. Add another column will be rate. And in amount, I'll put term, I'll put 35 years, rate I'll put 7.5. Right now, first of all, I need to save this calculator internal data. Click on save. Has been saved. Now, right here for these tests, need to show data binding. Need to add, once again, I'll cancel, show you. Need to add here calculator data internal test data set. And here for variable binding, amount, data column, test data from here, value, amount. Same here, data column, internal data set, takes from term. Takes from rate. Right now you need to save it. When you click on amortization, you click also add your calculator data. Exchange here for column, for data column. Amount. Here will be term variable from the internal data. Rate. Right now you need to save it. You save here both. That's it. At this point, right now everything is bound, so you might click hide data binding. Let me see. Let me see both once again. Okay. You can do same with Excel. You bound your data, hide data binding, and right now you can run the whole test suite here. Right now you're here on your left side on calculator suite. You might select additional something. However, it's pretty simple right now. Let's run it. Chrome default. One test case, loan. Next one, amortization. Perfectly fine. The whole your calculator suite right here has been passed. Very good result. So this is the way how you parameterize your test cases in Katalon Studio, how you add them to test suites, and how you execute the whole test suite. This is it. The statistic is right here. All good. Show data binding, I'll show you again. One test case, another test case. That's it. See you in the next lectures.